Are you tired of the constant clutter in your home? Do you wish for a space that breathes serenity and calm? Imagine coming home to a house where everything is in its place, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and comfort. A clutter-free home isn't just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing your mental well-being and productivity. It's about taking control of your surroundings and creating a sanctuary, room by room. This video will guide you through a step-by-step process to declutter each room and bring peace and order into your home. The living room is where we entertain guests and spend quality time with family. It's crucial to keep it tidy and inviting. Start the decluttering process by removing everything that doesn't belong in the room. You'll be surprised at how much space you can free up with this simple step. Now, divide the remaining items into 3 categories: keep, donate, or discard. Be ruthless in your decisions and remember that less is often more. Once you've sorted everything, focus on the keep pile. Organize these items in a way that makes sense to you and is visually pleasing. Consider using storage boxes or shelves to keep things neat. Remember, the living room is a reflection of your home. Make it a place that you're proud to show off. A cluttered kitchen can make cooking a chore rather than a joy. It's time to take control and organize your kitchen space. Begin by emptying out your cupboards and drawers. You'll be surprised by how much you've been hoarding. As you take each item out, sort them into 3 categories: keep, donate, or discard. Be ruthless in your decision-making. If you haven't used it in over a year, it's probably time to say goodbye. Now let's organize the keep items logically. Place everyday items like cutlery and plates within easy reach. Store the less frequently used items higher up or at the back. Remember, the aim is to create a kitchen that works for you. An organized kitchen can make meal preparation easy and enjoyable. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, a place to relax and unwind. Let's turn it into a clutter-free haven. Start by sorting out your clothes and accessories. Discard items you no longer need and organize the rest. Consider donating or recycling things you don't use. Next, tackle your bedside tables and bookshelves. Remove unnecessary items, dust, and then arrange what's left in a pleasing and practical manner. The goal here is to create a space that invites relaxation and peace. Organize everything in a way that promotes this. Remember, less is often more when it comes to bedroom decor. By maintaining a clutter-free environment, you're crafting a space that encourages rest and rejuvenation. A clutter-free bedroom can help promote a good night's sleep. Decluttering and organizing your home can seem like a daunting task, but with a step-by-step approach, it becomes manageable and even enjoyable. Tackle one room at a time, starting with the living room, moving on to the kitchen, and finally the bedroom. Remember, a clutter-free home is a peaceful home. Start your journey towards a more organized life today.